Planning a website means coordinating a lot of moving parts and people. Navigation ideas in one tool, content drafts in Docs, design links shared through email or Slack, and task lists scattered across Trello or Notion. You've seen it before. Documents named Homepage Copy, Final V7, design links floating in chats, feedback spread across threads, and everyone reviewing a different version. That's the kind of chaos that slows projects down and leaves teams out of sync. That's why we built Slickplan, a single connected workspace that brings structure, content, user flows, and design feedback together. Slickplan unites every stage of website planning, from navigation and user journeys to content and design collaboration, in one place built for clarity and flow. Let's see how it all fits together. It starts with structure. Slickplan's sitemap builder makes planning site architecture simple, visual, and collaborative. Import an existing website or start from scratch with AI. Drag, drop, and organize pages in real time with your team. No version mix-ups or long feedback threads. Assign page types, attach files or notes, even connect analytics to make data-driven decisions. It's your blueprint for building smarter navigation. Once your structure's ready, it's time to build the content. The content planner keeps writing, feedback, and SEO in one smooth workflow. Write using structured blocks that are CMS-ready from the start, so your content moves from planning to publishing seamlessly, without developers wasting hours on migration or rework. Add inline comments or suggest edits in real time. Feedback stays tied to each section, so nothing gets lost. Switch to SEO view to optimize as you write, previewing desktop and mobile search results without ever leaving the editor. Built-in smart suggestions and reusable templates keep your content consistent across every page. When it's ready, share it in preview mode. One live link that's always up to date, so clients and stakeholders can review the real thing. With your content in place, Diagram Maker helps you plan how users move through it. Create user journeys, process maps, or decision trees linked directly to your sitemap. See every path clearly, fix friction early, and align your UX and dev teams before development even begins. Now bring design collaboration into the same space with design mockups. Sync your Figma designs directly, keeping UI layouts, feedback, and approvals connected in one place. Designers stay in Figma. Stakeholders stay in Slickplan. Comments, replies, and status updates sync automatically, so everyone's always reviewing the latest version without chasing links or files. Attach additional visuals or wireframes to pages. Keep approvals clear, and manage design feedback right alongside your content and site architecture. Structure, flow, content, design, all in one place. Finally, plan websites faster, together.